Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to download FN22 on your Xbox, on your PC for those who are having Game Pass users, and how you can download and install and play it for 10 hours on the beta, and how we can do this. So some of the users are asking these questions, so we just wanted to help you guys out. So first thing, what you have to just have to open your Xbox app on your PC or laptop, and now from here, as you can see, you just have to scroll down, and there is, as you can see, you will be having an option under beta. You will be having an option EA Play with this option on the Xbox app. So you should be having this app EA Play, or else you will be having the trouble. So you just have to click on See Games. Now from here, what happens is, if you scroll down, you can see many games, but at the top, as you can see, you can play the games here. Play with the Game Pass. There is 3 games, that is FN22, Grid Legend, Battlefield. So from here you can click on FN22, and I think I had a little problem. So from here you just have to click on this one, and you can install this one on your local disk C or anywhere else which you wanted to, and you can try to play the game. And as you can see, it is written over here, play select new release games up for up to 10 hours even before they are launched. So game is officially getting launched on next tomorrow, but you can even try to play the game for 10 hours from here as a beta. So you can try this, and this is how you can download for the Game Pass users. So if you don't have Game Pass, you can't play, so you should be having the Game Pass so that you can play this game. So this is about how you can do this up. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.